Eyes closed, Miss Beata, and go. Higher, knees higher.
You see, so I'm leaning like I can't keep my body in a straight balance.
Stop. Open. Open. We thought we better stop. We might not do it. You're going quite close to the... Yes, you started straight. Yes, yeah, yeah.
So then I just went like this?
Yeah, up to here.
Okay.
So first on one leg. Once you're stable, close the eyes. Close the eyes. Okay. Now, okay, so come up, other side. Close. Okay, okay, done. This is immediately after your adjustment. So let's have you first bring the knees up slowly on each side. Other side. Okay. Okay, seems smoother to you? Yeah, good. Good. Closed. Eyes closed.
And walk in place.
Yes, and the knees high. Keep marching on the spot.
You want me to continue with these high knees?
Yeah, continue. Okay, and stop. Better? A lot better, huh? Yeah, I had to stop you. You would have got into the TV. So that's a lot better. Only a slight deviation. Yeah. You see the difference?
Yeah.
When we make the adjustment predominantly through that spine. Yes, the stabilizers, but also through that C1, C2. And that's the only thing that the chiropractic adjustment can do. Making a correction through the cervical spine, stimulating those nerves. Very good. We're going to do another test, Miss Beata. 1, 2, 3. First, stand on one leg, 90 degrees. When you're balanced, then close. Okay, here's better though. Better, much better. Well done. Okay, this is immediately afterwards. So now let's do the other side. Eyes open first. Eyes open. Then eyes closed. Okay, right. Okay, getting there. Still a bit of work to do on that one, yeah? But that could be foot, it could be pelvis, step by step it'll come. Very good.
Yeah. So at least 3 times a day I do this. I flex my lumbar and the upper back.
Show me how you're flexing it. Show
so
flexed and extended. Yeah.
From here I keep this way. That's the starting point.
Good.
And then from here I just press down my upper back.
Okay.
So here
Let's see.
So I just try to have the range of how it can extend, increase, or at least keep.
You're taking the spinal column through its range of motion, from an extended position to a flexed position, right? Is that what you're trying to do?
The upper back.
Yes.
I'm just from a flexed, I go down to
into extension.
Curve to extension. Yeah. Why my lower back stays the same.
Okay.
So this been helping.
Good.
So I don't know if now it's enough, the range, or...
Okay. Well, what else have you been doing? Show me.
I've been doing the wall
Show me the
rangers.
Show me exactly.
So this is, I do 30 seconds in this position.
30 seconds, okay.
And then from there, 30 seconds.
Well, you show me. You do it now. We're going to check you. Okay,
This
good.
is 30 seconds here.
Yeah,
Pressing the wrist to the wall.
yeah, touching, trying to make
then
contact. Yeah.
From here, that's
Okay, now this one.
So
Really
it's
try and
still-
take it back.
still trying to press towards the wall.
Go on. Keep flush, keep working it. Chin tucked.
Yeah. And from here,
Okay, let's see this one. Hang on. Try and make contact with the wall.
so this one is really challenging. But
Yeah.
30 seconds on this one.
So this needs to be back. This needs to remain back.
Yeah.
Excellent. Let's see your.
And then I stretch a little bit, and okay, and the neck I do that also every day. I start with this.
Remember, it's rolling.
Yeah, but first I just try this, and from there I go
Very good.
5 times each.
Excellent. This is good. We're getting to see your routine now.
Yeah. So sometimes I also do like rolling this way. And
And
when
then?
I'm done, I roll the back part only
Okay.
from side to side. And then I also do this flex one side, flex the other side.
Okay. What about the thoracic spine, the shoulder rolls? Are you doing those still? Let me see. So you turn your back to me and let me see them. Down. Yeah.
Yeah, and I also do the flexion. After that, I flex. Yeah, on the other side. And then what I like to do, I stand like this against the wall, and then I do some wall push-ups of the
Excellent.
rotated back.
Excellent.
So this kind of stretches this part.
Yes. Do
And
the
on the
opposite.
other side, it stretches here. Or it's even strengthened.
Good.
Yeah, and then when I'm seated,
Yes.
or I lie down, but I can do seated. Yeah, I push my knee against my chest.
Yes.
So I do a lot of stretching.
Oh yes.
And that's it.
Good.
Today I came in the clinic and I explained to Dr. Sharik that generally my left side is so much weaker than the right side, including my upper body, and then my oblique, the side muscles on the left side, and my glutes. And I can feel it when I did different tests, trying to do a hip extension or lift my arm, or just we did a simple test of standing by the wall. And then the test was I had to lift 90 degrees. And so the left side was so much weaker against the pressure
And now let's have a
It
look.
was just going down straight without any
And now,
resistance. After the treatment,
look at that.
I can just see that it's like activated. It's like it's so much stronger than when we did the test before the treatment. So it was for me very interesting, because I thought it's only my muscle is weaker on the left side, but after the adjustment to this area, then the muscle became like active.
And now that they're both balanced, that's important to you.
So yeah, now I see more balance on the left and the right side, and then the left is a little bit like I feel it's much stronger.
Imbalance, when one side is weaker than the other, and it's very easy to check this. This is what usually leads on to injuries, you know. And if we can be balanced on both sides, like you are now, injury prevention, stronger body, more symmetry through the body.
Yes, so that's what we are working for.
Excellent. Thank you for sharing.